Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2024, the 17th of April. Thank you so much for coming back, guys. Well, I'm back with all of you. Thank you so much. Alright. Okay, so well, we are back here again. Right, and thank you so much. And yes, hi Sabrina, thank you so much. Wow, nice to see you. All right. Oh yeah, yes, I flew. Yep, I'm back. Okay, yes, yeah, right. Then well, what's next there? Next, let's check. All right. Okay. Hi Dobra Jutro. Hi JJ. Hi Caro. Hi Dobra Jutro, Caro. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, and over here, yes, I'm back here again. Yep. Yeah, I took a honestly, I just woke up. Yeah, I have a long flight, man. Okay. And yep. And now back here, right? So how's everything, guys? How's everything for all of you? Yeah, and let's see. Yeah, wow, congratulations. Go TP 10 pips, well done. All right, okay, nice. Okay, yep. And well, let me check my all my stuff. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, right. Let me see. Okay. How come? Hey, where is it? Okay. Yep. All right. Well, I guess should be good now. Okay. Yep. So, well, perfect. Good to see that everyone looks like everyone has a very good week. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. So, well, I think let's talk about something to warm up myself first. Okay. Well, okay. Let's take a look. What do I have? Where's my chat? I cannot see my chat now. Oh, okay. Hi Bradley, nice to see you. I love these TP vibes. Okay, there was a M30 no top week, so I took it. I see. Okay, let's take a look. Where's my MT4? Please give me my MT4. All right. Okay. Well, let's quickly browse through. Well, Bitcoin, we're back to 63. All right. After hitting the highs up here, about 73. Correct. Okay. So after that, we are back to 63 here. Well, is there any more? Okay, then we're going to hit here. Hey, how come? Oh, okay. Okay. I cannot click that button. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, as for the goal, all right. As for the goal wise, let's see. Just now M30. Just now you're saying there's no wicks here, so should have a good grab from here to here. Okay, yeah. All right. Alert! Somebody just bought $496 million worth of Bitcoin. I hope it was me. Okay, too bad, not me. Okay. Well, I wish to. Yeah. Okay, so I guess this week we have a few things to take note. All right. Okay, apart from yesterday, it has already happened, which is Mr. Powell has actually announced the Fed rate, and we have a halving on this 25th of April, which fall on the Saturday. Am I right? Okay, so yep, and also there are a few events that are actually coming along. Well, Iran and Israel. Okay, then so all these are all these events this week. We are really going to be a little bit careful with what's going to happen. Okay, I think I'm not the one who bought it. I guess I should be the founder of XNS. Okay. Yeah, okay. He has, I think, he melted all his gold to buy in so many Bitcoin, or to supply to create more Bitcoin for the miners. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so yep, and today the goal. Okay, let's see. As for the goal wise, I think we have a few things to take note as well. Am I right? Okay, so just need to take just to take note what's happening. Okay, along the way. Okay, and also yeah. Yep. What's there again? And let's see. Okay, so over here, all right, and over here, okay, yep. Okay, let's check over here. Let's see. Oops, I cannot find. Something went wrong here. Okay. Right. Yeah. Let me check. Let me check. Yep. I cannot. I cannot find this. Now I cannot find you. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Let's see if that's correct or not. How come I cannot find them? This is weird. Okay. Yep. All right. Right. Okay, now back here. But with US rate cuts delayed, it will be difficult to go up again. Likely, probably. I think. Well, I guess. From, let's take a look. The high of this goal was like 24.31. Am I right? 24.31. 24.31. What do you think? What do you think that? What do you think of this goal? Where are we heading? As for the, I don't know. Okay, you know what? The Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, the Bitcoin wise. Let's talk about a little bit on the Bitcoin. Okay, why is that? Because of the halving is a very big event. I guess there are a lot of people. Okay, they are actually pushing in a lot of funds into the Bitcoin. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. Hi, Eileen. Nice to see you. Oh my god. Okay. I was telling Eileen, okay. Oh my goodness, man. I can I can oversleep. All right. Okay. Let's put it this way. Okay. Yeah. If Israel retaliate, we will see the all-time high on the gold. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Eileen. Yeah, my vocal. Yeah, it's good now. Yeah. I think I'm about to go for another test, a few more tests, then I can start singing. Okay. Oh yeah. Speaking of which, guys. Okay, 24th and 25th of April, which is next week. Okay, I won't be around. All right. Okay, I won't be around. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. If Israel retaliate, we'll see the all-time high in the gold. Okay, so gold, I think we will still likely. Actually, I will say that we will still see the gold escalate for a period of time. Okay, so I hope people who are still trading the gold don't hope for I'm going to sell because it's all-time high. I think it's not that way to trade. Am I right? Okay, let's we will talk a little bit on this again, because I guess the goal wise we really cannot until now we still cannot say that it is a time that is actually start to sell off because of its all-time high. Okay, I think it's not there yet. Okay, I think it's not the time yet. So most likely, I still see there will be a good chance that the gold is still going for some more buying. Buying is still on the way. Okay, so likely I would say that it will still escalate, right? Yeah, well, I mean, we know that when the war comes, okay, for everyone will hide into the gold, correct? Then it will actually become a demand, correct? So whether it will still push even higher, that is one more. All right. Then well, this week another hot topic in the share market, I think, is still because of Tesla. Tesla lay off about intend to lay off 10% of the workforce. I guess it's also another hoo-ha. Okay. All right. Okay. So for me, I'm holding some Tesla share. All right. So I'll be waiting for Tesla to slip off a little bit more, and I'm going to push in more funds. Okay, I'm pushing more funds as an average down. Okay, so I'm looking out for the opportunity. Yeah, of course. I mean, it depends largely on your strategy, right? So you don't push in all your assets. Okay, at one go, especially for Tesla. I mean, certain things like this. All right. Okay, you should distribute out. Okay, I will distribute out a few sections to actually buy in. Okay, but definitely not at one go. All right. Okay, so yeah. Okay, then okay, so over here, yeah. That's for the share market in terms of Tesla in focus. All right, and also Nvidia, okay, is another one. So we're also looking into after this week. Okay, after this week, there will be definitely another big hoo-ha about the NFT. Okay, NFT seems like died down. Okay, it seems like it dies off from the world. Okay, then but suddenly, okay, I think it's coming back. Right. Let's see. Probably next week onwards, we will see more. We will see more NFT news burning up again. Okay. Then well, we have a lot of events coming in for this April, so I think there's a lot of things to think about it. But all these fundamental, just take it as a awareness. All right. Don't take it too hard. Okay. Then it may impair your analysis. All right. Okay. So no bottom week again. Which let's look at it. The H1 no bottom week. Okay. Okay. So at least for the goal wise. Okay. As for the goal wise, at the very least, okay, if you look at H1 from this area, okay, from this area, we are still able to trade. We are still able to analyze. Am I right? Okay. So as we can see, this move down, all right, and that was last week. Okay. Then after that, it started to move off. As we can see, this liquidity is here. Correct? The liquidity up here. Looks like we still have plenty to go and to capture it. It's very clear. Correct? It's very clear. So in a way, I guess the goal wise, we are ready to have some good profits along the way. Yeah, wait a bit. Okay, so not now, of course. Okay, like you say, all right. This is from here to here. When this is already. Let me see. Here. Okay, we have about 20 pips. We have about 20 pips already. So probably, are we looking into somewhere like? Yeah. Okay. About 238. Sorry. 2388. About 2388 over here. Okay. Yeah. About 2388 over here. And should be looking out into 2376. Correct? Okay. 2387 good to sell. Okay. Yeah, I think around there. Okay. Mine is 2388. So it's about there. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. I think over at this point here, we just need to, okay, 2380 is one level. 2380 is one level. Okay, no. 2382. Okay, have to take note. Okay, later on we'll come back and see. So 2387, around 2387, 2388. I think it's good to sell. I also look at this area to sell back. All right, to create the wicks. Okay, I think it's pretty obvious. Okay, okay, that's I think pretty good. Yeah. Okay, hi Yue Ting, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Oh, why are you giving me the sad face? Okay. What happened to you? That expression was from the past few days when you were not in the live streaming. So okay, I see. All right. So yeah, I'm back here. I'm back with you. Okay. Yes, and All right, so over at this point here, okay, let's take a look. Okay, hi Christopher, nice to see you too. And let's see. Okay, that's for the goal. I think with this box here, I was looking at this box. I'm looking at this box just to tell everybody. Okay, when you can see when it hits an all-time high, actually previously we were talking with Caro. Yeah, when it hits an all-time highs at this point here, we don't have any past data to analyze, correct? There isn't any movement there, but now it's a bit different. Okay, we have something here that we can take a look. Okay, and I think it will be easier. So this is an overview. After the overview, okay, we can shrink down right down to this area here. All right, we can shrink down to this area here. All right, and slowly we are actually coming in. All right, from this area, as we can see, okay, it's actually trying to recover this area here. But as we shrink down furthermore, okay, this will be the area that actually they are going for a pullback. All right, then once we shrink down furthermore, okay, right, it's quite obvious that they need something before they can actually go up to take furthermore. Okay, so I would say, okay, now with all this move here, with this area here, there are data for us to analyze. Okay, there are data for us to refer. We can see for the we can see the past movements from the market. Then there are plenty of opportunity here. Okay, so yeah, and that's where I actually come along with 2387 2388, where Caro is 2387, and we are very close around there. So why the price a bit different is because we are using different broker, which may even comes with different liquidity provider. Okay, so there may be some difference over there. Okay, yeah, that's for the goal. All right, so let's see if the goal is actually coming in to take, okay, to give a lower wick out over here. All right, although it's selling off, will it actually comes in here to have a good selling back down to take, or it will actually start to create the wicks now. Then, well, if that's the case, then we have no choice. Then we will take it as a miss. Okay, all right. So 2388, 2387 to 2388. Okay, the selling off, and I'm looking into 2376. That is for the goal. Okay, 2376. All right. Yep, that is one. But the 2382 will be one area that we need to take note that may have some bounce back again. Okay, this area may have some bouncing. Okay, so take note of this place. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's come back here for the pound dollar. All right. Hi Jerry, nice to see you. Hi, good evening to you. Over at your side, good evening now, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. What if I tell you? Yeah. Yeah. It's yeah, good evening. Okay, I just had my dinner. all right, no, just kidding. Okay, come on, let's come back here for the pound dollar. Okay, I think pound dollar, there's something that I would like to highlight here. Okay, give a little bit of update. Yeah, okay. Oops. Okay, so for the pound dollar, let's take a look. Well, for pound dollar, as we can see from here, all right, pound dollar, we're actually moving up, and we're hovering around this area from long while, since December. Yeah, that's from the December. So actually you can see, okay, from December until now, we have finally broke out of 125, correct? We are aiming 125 for so long, okay? And of course, we grab some profits. Sometimes we we take a break when it went up and when it comes down. Okay, so yep. Okay, yes, you just had your breakies. Okay, nice. Okay, so anyone from Sydney, Melbourne, Victoria? Okay. Okay, so these people should be having their dinner while watching my live streaming. All right. Okay. Yep. And just like Mr. Ng and Seng, correct. Okay. I think they are watching the live streaming while having their dinner. Okay. And over at this point here. Alright, over at this point here, we finally broke this area and 125. We finally broke that 125. Now prices are trading below 125, and it achieved my target of 125, which broke off, and it hits onto 124.342, which we aim this price since the December. Okay, luckily we didn't enter a trade to aim for this price, right? We took about 4 months to reach here. Okay, so 124.342 achieved. Let's take this away. Okay, so sorry, let's come back here. I keep this first. Let's take this away. Then now I'm going to look out for 123.76. 123.76. Alright, that is for the gold. Gold. That's for the pound dollar. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to read Caro message in the Discord channel for the liquidity zone. In the end, I was just saying, this is a goal. Okay, yeah. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so London high over there, yeah, and the liquidity are we looking into the M2 area there, and M2 area? Okay, and also 23.8 something. Yeah. Okay. This is 15 minutes time frame, huh? Okay. All right. Okay. Cool. Nice. Okay. Right. Let's come back here. Then for the pound dollar, okay, I'm looking into a few areas here. Okay, so these few areas to be an area to pay attention to. All right. So 123.76. all right, one thing over here, we have this very nice area here. Okay, so just take note about that. Well, as for the pound dollar, okay, we are actually now trading into the below 125. Okay, below 125 looks like it's entering into the bear. However, it may have some pullback. Okay, it may have some pullback over here. Okay, then you know what? It may have some pullback over here, which we may comes into a price. Okay, let's put this down first. I may be looking into some prices up here. Okay, which actually has been taken out. Okay, and also, okay, there are some prices up here as well. Okay, we need to take note as well. Okay, so it may bounce back to take this area. All right, 125.117. Okay, 125.117 is another price that we need to take note. Okay, so it will be a little bit, okay, 125.117. okay, we need to take note of this area here. All right, that's one. Okay, I'm actually reading out this out loud first, because I see that they are still trying to support. They are still trying to support at the price around this area here. We can see about 124, 124, correct? About 124, correct? All right. So it's around here. So prices actually rebound and react from 124. So 124 may be a price that they are trying to break another level, which are going to push even lower. Okay, yeah. All right. So over here, well, is Eileen? Eileen, are you still there? I think still should be still there, huh? Okay. All right. I think over here. Yeah, okay, that's nice. Okay, good, you're still here. Right, let's take a look at what happened yesterday on the pound dollar. Okay, after this wave of moving up, okay, then this the Asian low created up here, moving up to take the Asian high. After that, over at this point here, look at this area here. Okay, it moves back up here, and then after the news, it moved further up from the CAD, the news, the release data, the data release from the CAD, the Loonie. Okay, then after that, started to form a selling structure. Correct. If suddenly it moves, and then started to move down. Can you see this area? All right, can you see this area? This area is a very tough area, am I right? Very tough area. So it takes a little while, you know, after it moves down, take a little bit here, move again, and it takes a while to move down and finally to take the targets here, where this is the target we aim. Am I right? Okay. So I think pretty good that we can tell. All right, we can tell that I mean, not you can tell, okay, all of you can tell that, okay, this is the price that they are trying to take. But along the way, as you look at this area, you can see all this move is a little bit tough. Okay, 这一段是不是有一点难？ Alright, let me translate into Mandarin. Okay, 所以这里你看，这里这个昨天就说到嘛，这里就是不是一个比较艰难的一个范围。所以当它开始有了这个做空的结构之后呢，你没有发现到，就是它在开始往下跌的过程啊，其实都比较艰辛一点，好不好 ？OK， 那最后呢，还是恭喜你 ，OK， 我们还是看到的是这个价位，最终它还是来到这个价位啊，所以呢，我们懂得看，我们已经懂得看，对不对？在我们的课室里面，我们已经看到这个价位了。那么呢，我们已经知道目标是在这里。不过过程啊，我们只要知道那个过程而已，好不好 ？OK， 你看一下，就像这一段而已啊。OK， 这里啊，你看一下，你看看这个，在这一段里面呢，是不是比较艰辛一点？不过你看到这个范围的时候呢，好不好？你看这个范围的时候，是不是一滑的时候，新温点，当然这也是有新温点的关系啊。OK， 一滑下来的时候就滑得非常好。OK， 好不好 ？OK。那我们let's take a look at the euro dollar, some area here. Okay, so over here, like yesterday, we are talking about all this area here. Okay, all right. For euro dollar, yesterday we are talking about how it moves. Generally, it moves it's quite choppy as well. Okay, it's not that smooth. So along the way, when it moves down, it will be a little bit choppy as well. Okay, but it's not as choppy as pound dollar. Okay, at least we can see there are some good move. Correct, but end of the day, we still capture what we want over here. Correct, we want over here. So we can see it's very nice covering up. Okay, it filled up nicely. But along the way, it's just very choppy. Okay. 啊，在这个欧美啊，我们昨天不是说到吗？如果给我选，我会选欧美，我不会选棒美啊。原因是因为至少这一段里面啊，都会比较顺利嘛，是不是？所以你看它，虽然它也好像棒美有很多的波动，但是你看它的波动，每一次在下的时候呢，都是比较顺利一点的啊。OK， 不过最终我们懂得看我们的目标价位，最终它还是来到我们的目标，对不对？ OK 啊，这个就是我们要看到的东西啊。OK， Alright, so yep， 今天呢欧美又很好啊，等一下纽约时段我们再来哈 ，OK OK, so let's take a look at the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Yep. Yes, let me take a look. Although a lot of people don't sell now from the gold, am I right? Okay, the gold. The gold, I think 23.85, I think. Oh, it went back. Oh, it went back. Okay, so I think we are going to achieve 23.88, 87 to 88. Okay, put in a buy, man. Okay, all right. Okay, so put in a buy and then what? Okay, yeah. If the price breaks 23.87, there's a clean traffic on the left side. Okay, clean traffic on the left side. Yes, beautiful, real clean. Okay, so we may even look out for prices like say, oh, far left, man. Okay, about 23.95. It may be even be 23.95. All right. Okay, so over here, yeah. Then okay, so this one you have to take note. All right, so over at this point here, then let's see, are we going to take, okay, yeah. Looks like we are going to take this area here, huh? Okay, so let's take a look at the pound dollar. Well, today the pound dollar, I think also doing good. I would love to see this move, this kind of move. Okay, then what will I do is that I'm going to string down the chart. Okay, so I'm looking at where they are trying to fill. Okay, I'm trying to see where they are going to fill. All right. All right, so this is what, here we go. What is that? Okay, yeah, they destroy. Okay, yeah, okay, well done. Okay, so and over here, okay, are we going to take down 23.88? Okay, are we going to take down 23.88? All right, okay, so this is well, I think well done. I think we are coming into 23.88 over here. Yes. Okay, yeah, they need to destroy the sellers. Yeah, okay, good. Wow, Bradley, go TP 2387. Okay. Congratulations. Yeah, cowboy, man. Yes, Sabrina. Yeah, I took a buy too, but I haven't reached my TP. I'm putting it at 23.88.5. Okay, I think almost there soon. Sabrina also put in the buy. Oh, so you guys really know how to grab the opportunity between the conversation from here, huh? Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. All right. Then over at this point here, we should say that okay. Thank you, Carol. Okay, thank you, Carol. Okay. Thank you for your advice. Okay, I think over here, nice. Okay, so just now we were looking at this area. Carol was saying that this area, right? Okay, so we achieved. Congratulations, XNS. Okay, well done. Okay, and are we going to start the selling off to create the wicks down there? That I think should fall into 23.82 now from 23.88. Okay. All right, Sabrina, congratulations. Sabrina also taken her profit. Well done. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yes. It's not me. It's XNS. XNS. Okay. Well done. Well done. Okay. Beautiful. Trade goal. Trust. XNS. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We may want to use the slogan that one of these this I don't know if this company actually use this, American International Assurance, AIA, trust us for life. Yeah, it's in my logo. Yeah, I know it's in your logo. Okay. Alright, so over here. Oh, suddenly I feel a sharp pain in my throat. I think okay. I think I need more drinks, man. Okay, yeah. Okay, well done everybody capturing the profit. Okay, next to go. Okay, so I actually have forgotten I should have speak a little bit softer today. Right. We love you, our gold digger Caro. Wow. Okay, yeah, that's yeah. Yep, okay, so now let's see. We yeah, and yes. Christopher, yes. Christopher was saying that amazing reading from the goal. It seems like you can tell the future. Where are you? I'm going to buy the machine from Caro. XNS creation. XNS creation. You have a machine? That's from Christopher. Okay. Alright. Okay, so over here. Okay. And over here, let's see. Right. Okay, let me all right, yeah. Okay, so let's come back here. Let's see. Okay, well, I find that in our community we have a lot of funds here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so internationally. Yeah. Okay, so right now for the goal, after we are having a hit on the goal, okay, then let's see, pound dollar. Are we going to have some burning sensation here as well to burn up? Okay, so I will be looking into how dollar should be still on the way to go for a buying now. Okay, the buying is should be still ongoing for a little while as to see this pullback to reach this area. Okay, we have one challenge here which is about 124.815. Then after that to reach 125.117. Okay, so there may be some pullback along the way. All right, we have about 36 pips. Okay, so along the way we may see some resistance. We may see some resistance here and there. Okay, to be challenged. All right, yeah, and over at this point here, well, I guess what we are going to see over here, I think, is pretty pretty much obvious. Okay. Okay, 124.34 to maybe 124.34 to, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think it should be here. Okay. Let me. Okay. So let's plot this. Has been taken. Okay. This has been taken. So let's. Okay, about here. Around here. Okay, so what's next here? Well, I guess it's pretty nice. Okay. Over at this point here. Good, 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 good. Over here. Alright. Dollar CAD. Okay. So dollar CAD selling. Okay. Wow, dollar CAD. Okay, yes, dollar CAD is a very good one. Okay. Yeah. Dollar CAD. Alright, dollar CAD. Okay, and alright. Dollar CAD, I think very straightforward. Dollar CAD. We are selling off the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD selling off from this area. Yes. I'm going to take this area. Dollar CAD. We are 34 to 35 pips down there, waiting for us. Yeah. Okay. Right. I think it's pretty good. Yeah. So dollar CAD 137,759, 137,759. Okay, that is one area. Okay, we can aim on that area. All right, and selling is actually pretty good. After they break off this area now, as of now. Okay, so maybe a retest back. Then another resistance coming in from 138,082. Yeah, I think this should be the good one. Okay, yeah. All right, so pound dollar, yes, JJ. Would you say it's creating a double top? Okay, then whether are we creating a double top? First of all, let's check if this area is it a key level. Is that a key level? Okay, let's check. All right. Okay, if this is going to be a key level. All right, where we can see from first of all, check on the H4. All right, checking on the H4. Seems like this resistance area 124.81.5, which is the target that I'm looking out for selling over here. All right, this area, okay, looks like okay, it's good. Okay, it's a resistance that we can see from the resistance here. It pushes up, taken out this area of the liquidity. And after that started to sell off all the way, so it's creating a good resistance over at this point here. 124.81.5. okay, looks like it's good. Okay, looks like it's good. Okay, so this one looks like it's good. Okay, so if you're asking me if it is creating a double top, I will say yes. Good reading, JJ. Well done. Okay. Yep. All right. Hi, Sujito Jong. Ni hao. Hi. Nice to see you here. Right. Yep. We have recovered 61.8% from ATF sell-off. 23.90. That's for the goal. Over here, right? Okay. The 21.68 is from here. Okay, it's from here. Okay, so you can plot out. Okay, you can plot out. Okay, so you can see out. Okay, then over at this point here. All right, this, okay, the key here, okay, over here. All right. Hi Winnie, 你好啊，又忙完了，老师我来了。你好，你好 Winnie。Okay. Yeah, look at the daily. We have nice week to fill. Yes, beautiful weeks to fill. Okay, so over at this point here, I think for the goal wise, right? Okay, 又没跟到啦啊，刚才有一张单子，就从这一段开始，我们做了一张做多的啊走涨，然后呢到2388已经搞定了，现在在看的就是要往这上面再走啊。Okay, alright. So let me use English first. Okay, alright. So over here, looking at the weeks, okay. First thing first, I think let's take a look at the 2390. Alright, 2390 over here. Okay. Now we are at 2390, right? Okay. So be looking into 2390, looking up into 20. Do I have the? I mean, is my appetite too big to say 24? Okay, 2399. Okay. That's, I think just only 5 pips away. I think probably okay. 2400. Okay, so maybe 2400. All right. Yeah. Okay, let's take this first because as I see right here. Okay, 2400 first. Of course not 2400. I mean that's a little bit too aggressive. I am looking into 2398. Okay, let's take a look at 2398. Okay, so again, 2398. Okay, so this area. After this, I think there's a very nice wick up there waiting for us. Okay, this 2398, which is the doji wick up, the upper wick of the doji. Okay. Then, yep, 61.8 is the Fibo. Alright. Okay, so over at this point here. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. I cannot see very clearly. Let me zoom in, take a look. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yes. Right. Okay. We got it. Yep. Nice. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's the 61.8, huh? Okay, so over here. Oh, so sweet of you. Okay, so right. Let's take a look here. Okay. Alright. Okay, so over at this point here. Okay, let me translate into Mandarin. Okay, over here. 这里啊，看到今天我们在讨论的这个黄金啊，如果我们把这个阶段哈，我们这样看的话呢，我们在目前在看哈 ，Winnie 有在吗 ？Winnie，OK，Winnie 有在吧？哈 ，OK， 这个现在我自己本身我们在看的就是这个黄金呢，它呢其实有一个流动量还在上面这里哦，还有机会继续在走涨。OK， 然后呢，不过现在呢，先要看的就是呢，它呢有机会先来到2398啊，大概2398的范围，然后呢有机会要做空了哈。 OK， 如果我们 OK， 如果我们是说，这个，sorry， sorry， 如果这个范围嘛，因为我们看到这一段，好不好？如果看到这一段的话呢，你用这个 FIBO，OK， 用这个 FIBO 呢来画的话呢，它大致上呢，我们可以看到这个 FIBO 的分析啊，基本上是看它的回调嘛。从这一段呢，它的下滑呢，它已经有回调了 61.8%， 对不对？所以我们大家都知道说，在 FIBO 里面 61.8 都是一个关键的这个范围，所以一般呢，一到了 61.8 它就会开始有回调的现象，好不好 ？OK， 所以可能这个有回调的往下跌的可能性啊，所以现在就是在看的就是有可能它现在呢在这个范围啊，它会有回调的一些现象啊，之后我们才来看它的这个在这个机会是它的接下来的走向会是怎么样哈 ？OK， 好不好 ？OK， 所以暂时现在呢，就是到了一个位置，它就有可能就是开始在要有做回调啊。不过我还是在看的是2398啊，还是这个目标2398 ，OK。但是现在暂时你走涨的进场点已经走涨了很多，不过没有什么进场点了，所以只是在等它回调一些，然后呢找一个机会，看有没有机会进场而已。OK， alright. So right now, basing on the FIBO, okay, like what Caro has shared with us over here. If we are looking at FIBO, we are actually now hitting on the 61.8, right? Right, 61.8, yes, and there may be some chance of pulling back. But I'm looking at this area. Okay, first of all, I'm looking into this area. Okay, when it started to pull back, alright, it started to pull back. There may be a chance for this area, okay, to get a support. Alright, there may be a chance to get this support here. Then after that, from here, there may be a good chance to buy up again. I am actually still looking at 23.98. Okay, 23.98. So then I waiting for 23.98 to clear. Okay, there is this area here. I'm waiting for it to fill up. Okay, then selling off from this area. This is one area that I see that it should be a very good area to sell off, personally. Okay, all right, Eileen. Okay, see you in New York session. Okay, please drive safe. All right. Okay. All right. I think Okay, thank you, Eileen. See you in New York session. Please drive safe. Okay, see you later. Alright, then over at this point here. Okay, let's see. As for JJ, let's come back and take a look at JJ, your double top over here. Okay, so right now, can you see? There are some reaction coming into 124.815. Okay, alright, over here. So 我们现在看棒美啊 okay, so over at this point here, okay, so what we are going to do is that over at this point here, it seems like it is actually hitting on this area 124.815. Okay, can you see this area here? Yeah, then now there are some reaction. Okay, let's see. Today, okay, some push up nicely. Okay, so at this point here, it looks like they are going to form a buying structure. In general, they are going to form a buying structure, correct? Then again, is that like we were talking about for the pound dollar, we actually break this area and we are actually selling below 125. So selling below 125 isn't that good? Yes, it is good. Okay, so I'm waiting to see it going to take down 123.76. Then along the way, Then along the way, what we are going to do is that, are we going to sell off from the key levels of resistance? Okay, that is very important, correct? So that is one. Okay, yeah. Suddenly I feel an urge, pressure in my belly. So, oh, that's a very good way of describing his key bell time. Okay, so let me finish this for pound dollar before we go key bell. Anyway, we still have about 12 minutes to H4. Okay, so over here, let's see, this area it hits here. Okay, and now it started to pull back a little bit here. Okay, then over at this area here, okay, then we can see that now it's actually coming into that area. Okay, it's coming to an area. Seems like a very good move up from the liquidity created there. Okay, and now from here we can see there are some areas. Okay, there are some areas to be taken, correct? First of all, I'm looking at 124.49.7 here, which is good. It looks good. So generally, this area has been taken out by this, and it hits into 124.815, correct? 124.815. So this area looks good. If we are going to sell off, I am actually looking into 124.497. 124.497. So as along the way when it's coming down, correct? As it's coming down to take, it seems like we are creating, we are taking down this area of some liquidity down here. Looks good, right? Okay, it looks good. Yeah, but then there'll be more down here to be taken as well, I will say. All right, over at this point here, seems like it's pretty good also. Okay, looks like it's also pretty good. Yeah, and I will say that yeah, pound dollar looks pretty good to sell. Okay, we have now the move is here. We had this move, good space down here to be taken. The next thing is that this is the reaction from the key levels. The next thing is to wait for selling structure. Okay, to wait for a selling structure. Alright. Okay, Winnie， 这个棒美啊，现在来到我们的关键位啊，一个压力的关键位啊，这里是一个流动量的关键位。然后现在有些反应啊，第一，它有了一个走势，制造了一些空间出来。然后呢，现在碰到了我们的这个关键位了啊，又碰到在我们的关键位了。关键位之后有一些反应，现在有一些做空的反应出来嘛。那么我们接下来就在等的就是有做空的结构出现以后呢，再等一个进场点就可以开始做空。我的第一目标是 1.24497， 好吧？第一目标 1.24497 之后呢，接下来的目标呢将会在底下了哈。OK， 有到这个 1.24174。Okay, so we have 124.497 being the first. Second target will be 124.175, taking out the lows. Okay, yeah, so very good. We have created the space. The move is here. The next thing is that we see that there's some reaction. All right. So what's the next thing is to wait for the selling structure. Okay, so if the selling structure doesn't form and breaks further up, then forget it. Then we will need to wait. Then we have to re-wait. Okay. 如果这个突破上去的话呢，我们就重新再等过了哈。Okay, 所以稍等，不用这么急哈。Okay, don't enter now first. Okay, goal is about to do something. Yeah, another 8 minutes. Okay, so. Oh, looks like the goal is, let me see. I think over here. Okay. 23.92. 23.92. Okay. 23.92. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it's going to be the same scenario as in my key bell, dropping like last night. Chimney. Okay. Let's see. Well, I think maybe it will take 23.92. Then after that, it will start the selling, huh? Maybe in the next H4 opening, huh? Okay, pound dollar. How about pound dollar? Okay, okay, pound dollar. At least new H4 will need some bottom wicks. Okay, right. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Looks like the pound dollar. We are. Oh, sorry. Pound dollar. Let's see. Over at this point here, we have an area here. Okay, this area looks like we are actually clearing up. We actually looks like we are clearing up this area here. But I still see which is not enough, you know. I think 124.81.5 is not enough yet. It's still not enough. I think JJ, are you going to sell the pound dollar now? Alright. Okay. Hi. One up campaign. One up campaign. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. We'll go drive back down. Yes, we are waiting. Okay. We are waiting for the H4 opening first. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So let's take a look at the pound dollar. Alright. As for pound dollar, okay, there may be there's a good chance of selling off down to 124.497. 124.497. Okay, over here. Okay, 124.497. Okay, so over here, yeah. 124.497. 124.497. Okay, a good chance here. So we should have around 20 pips, maybe. Yeah. Okay. That should be a good price here. Not yet, huh? Not, huh? Okay. As for the gold wise, I'm looking at maybe 23.92 over here. Then about another 8 pips to go. Then maybe some selling off if the next H4 is good. Okay, so I think hang on first. I think we can still wait for a little while. Alright. Okay, so yeah, just hang on for a little while more. Okay. Okay, we have about 3 minutes. Let's go for key bell break and come back in a while. Okay. Okay, see you in a short while, guys. Let me go to my key bell as well. A quick one. Okay. Alright guys, I'm back here. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, so we have 1 minute to go. H4 is going to open very soon. Okay, that's for the gold. That's for the pound dollar, sorry, no gold. Okay, let's see. Okay, for the pound dollar, okay, since we have achieved this area here, will this actually give some selling off back to this area of 124.347? All right, maybe. Okay, let's see if there's a good chance there. Okay, so H4, if this is opening as a selling currently, okay, so looks like it's good. Okay, it's bringing down the price down to look out for support. Okay, if let's say if this is going to continue some buying, it should be bringing down the price. It should bring down the price to look out for support before it can continue the buying. Okay, so in a way, okay, let's see over here, selling starts here. Okay, selling starts here, and looks like we are actually coming down to take certain area like over here. Okay, so it should be around 124.57.3. okay, 124.57.3. right, so it should be around this area here. Okay, yep, 124.57.3. okay, so looks like it's quite good. Okay, so let's see if this is going to take down 124.57.3 or even lower. Okay, yep. All right, okay, so let's see. Well, this is the real reason for. Okay, let's take a look. Well, Carol has just shared. Oh, I see. Okay, I see the breaking news. Israel agree Iran retaliation plan. Oh, okay. Well, let's take a look at the goal. Okay, the goal achieved. Oh, the goal achieved 23.92. Nice. Okay, so looks like selling. Winnie 啊，这个黄金达到2392了 ，OK， 达到2392了，所以有可能现在就是有要做空，短线做空的一个机会哈。Okay, so first price that I'm looking out is over here 23.89 back here 2398， 2389，对不起，2389啊 ，OK。Okay, alright, for pound dollar, okay, 124.57.3, 124.57.3. Okay, so over here, there may be a good chance that they are going to take down this price. Okay, they're going to take this price, 124.57.3, as a short term. Before this area. Okay, why this area is because this area may be a price that they are going to set up another higher low. Okay, this may be an area that they are going to set up for a higher low. All right, or it may be taking out even to this area. Okay, let me see. It looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay. All right, and H1. Okay, so let's see if H1 is going to drive it down, because looking at H1 currently is actually still trying to drive down the price at least 124.573, 124.573. Yep. Okay, still trying to drive down the price to 124.573 before it takes down 124.498. So we have this area here. Okay, so about 124,573. Okay.所以我们有两个价位哈，棒没？现在顺利做空的话，我们是要来到 1.24573 之后，如果它能突破的话呢，它就可以拿到 1.24498， 好不好 ？1.24498 ，OK， 这个范围 ，OK。Alright， 所以这个范围是它的一个目标哈，现在 ，Alright， OK， Congratulations, Carlo, well done, Go TP 10 pips, beautiful, OK， yeah, and as for the gold, let's take a look, OK。Oh, it hits 2389. 碰到了 Okay, it hits 2389. Okay, so this area here, we have taken out 2389. Alright, this sell off, okay, this will take out this 2389. Will it actually break 2389 to go for 2386? Looks like there's a good chance. Yes, Sabrina. Yeah, my gold TP 5 pips. I entered a bit late. Okay, congratulations, Sabrina. Thank you, XNS. Okay, XNS, keep my finger away from the chips. Okay, well done. Okay, good. Okay. Congratulations for your 5 pips anyway. That's a good one. Alright. Okay, that's interesting, huh? Alright. Yeah, you will be fit. Okay, let's come back here and take a look at the pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar, alright. So pound dollar, there's a little bit of selling off here. Okay, so I'm waiting to see if this pound dollar, okay, H4 and H1, it drives down a bit. Seems like it's driving down a bit to create the wicks only, huh? I still see there's a good chance for some selling off. If this area they are still going to create a selling structure, another lower highs, and then it will still be a selling off down to take 124.57.3. Okay, I think still pretty good. Okay, looks like it's still pretty good over here from the H4. Okay, okay, so let's hang on for a little while. Okay, let's see if this is for the pound dollar, if they are going to create another lower highs to continue the selling. Okay, well, I think for this area here, looks like it takes a little while. 124.64.5 has some rejections here from the area. Okay, yeah, so perhaps we need a little bit more time. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. We are now creating some, yeah, seems like they are now we are all in the area of selling here, but it's still creating the selling. It's still creating the selling. So it's still creating the selling structure. Yeah. There are some rejections. Yes, Sabrina. There are some rejections, and that's the reaction. The selling structure seems like it's actually still creating. I have not entered any about in the pound dollar yet. Okay, yeah. Pound dollar. All right. We may need to wait for another. Over here, it looks pretty good. Okay, over at this point here, it looks pretty good for some selling off. It's just that it needs some time. Okay, can you see this area here, the top part here? Okay, the top part here is actually from the resistance of the H4. Okay, then this is the rejections from the H4 area here. Okay, so looks pretty good. Okay, the rejections. The next thing is that when it comes down to the M5 over here, right? This is the rejections, right? Okay, so over here, as we can see, this area here, right? When it move one last stop here, then another rejection, another resistance form up from the last stop here. Okay, this area, when they started to swing off, okay, this may be an area, okay, that they actually tested out from the last upward move. Okay, so this last upward move over here is over at this point here. They also, when it comes down to form this area here, it shows the some resistance is at some selling pressure came in. Some selling pressure came in over this area here. So there may be some rejections, okay, some pullback to this level of 124,731, okay, this area. Then after that, another lower highs will be created to sell off. Okay, yeah, so it depends whether it will still hold below, okay, 124.731, okay, this area here. All right, okay, so let me go into the Mandarin. Okay, Winnie 好不好？还有其他的人啊。OK， 在这里啊，我们这么看啊，现在这个棒美嘛，刚才我们不是说这个是一个压力位置嘛，对不对？好吧，这个压力位置，所以有一点反应，因为它有一些反击，对不对？有一点反击了。然后在这里啊，反击之后呢，这个最后一个上升的一个怎么说呢？一个趋势啊，之后来到这里的时候，在这个最后一个反击这里有一点反应啊，那么呢，似乎在从这一段里面有制造了一个新的压力。那如果说价格呢保持在 1.24731 的这个范围，制造新的一个下跌趋势的话，一个新的压力的话呢，我们就可以看到说往下跌的这个概率又增加了啊，那么就可以达到我们的 1.24573， 甚至突破这个 1.24573 到 1.24498。啊，当然底下我们还有很多空间，但是先不说那个哈，我们先看这些，因为这个是最靠近我们的。OK， right? Yes, JJ, what's the 30? What is that 30? Have you taken profit $30? 30 pips? Okay, yeah. So let's see. Okay, alright. So pound dollar, we're waiting for a good selling structure where I see a new resistance created down here at 124.731. Okay, so over here. Okay, then let's wait and see if there's another resistance selling off from this area, then we can see good selling from there. Alright, yeah, I'm still waiting for a pullback to 124.731 to sell if the structure remains. Patience is virtuous in this. Yes, took 30 pips on gold. Wow, congratulations, well done. Okay, fantastic. Okay, well done. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, as for the gold wise, all right, can I sell the gold? Just now the gold hits 2392 over here to sell off. Okay, so I think this area, but when it's selling off, it pulls back to 2389 is our target. That it may form another higher low. So right now, it's not a good time to sell. Okay, it's not a good time to sell. Alright, so you have to wait for a little while to see if another round of selling comes in. Alright, this may push further up to 2398. Okay, this have to wait. You cannot sell now. Okay, I personally don't see any selling yet. Just now the selling off from here is a pullback to create a higher low, which is 2389. So from here, I think JJ putting a buy in, right? I don't know whether is it from the selling to get the 30 pips. Okay, so if you're selling off from here, then I think this is only a pullback. Okay, which we look at 2389 to create a higher low. Okay, so right now I'm looking into price to take 23.98 before it actually comes in for another round of selling. So you're looking for selling, have to wait. Okay, well, okay, so yeah, and over at this point here. Okay, so hang on first. Yes, come back for the pound dollar. Yes, Sabrina. Okay, good rejections. Yeah, okay, yeah, there's a rejections here. Let's see how this M5 close. Then it will be good. All right, M15 has opened and it closed this way. Looks like quite okay. Quite okay, although it did not close. It will be good to close below, okay, below the previous week. Okay, M30 still maintaining good. Okay, still maintaining good. Yeah, so let's see if this is going to, in this area is going to create. Now it's good that it had retest 124,731 to see if there's a selling off from this area. Okay, when we are talking about this area, these are the areas that we need to take note. Okay, we need to pay attention. Okay, yeah, so these are the areas. So this is the area. Will this actually create another lower highs? Then selling is coming. Okay, selling will be good. Okay, yep. Yes, Christopher. Yep. I'm also waiting for the pound dollar at 124.731 to sell off. This is another lower highs area. Am I right to say that? Yep. Why am I plotting this area? Is because I see that this area may be another lower highs area. That when it retests back to form a resistance to sell off. Okay, so there may be a good chance of selling off from this area. As long so long as this is going to sell off, okay, create a resistance to sell off from this area, you can see a lower highs area. Okay, Sabrina, rich and fit. Sabrina, Carol was saying rich and fit. So you're getting your profit, you're rich, and staying away from the cheap, you're fit. I guess so. Okay, yeah, pound dollar. Okay, let's see how this pound dollar is going to close. Okay, and looks like hopefully it closed below. Hopefully it closed below with a green and red candle opening. Then I think fantastic. It should be clearing this week. Okay, clearing this week off down to take this area here. Okay, this should be the area. All right, Jerry. Hello, Jerry, Eric, Jerry, Eric, Jerry, Eric, 曼外 Jerry, Eric, 曼外 and Winnie. OK， 你们看一下，现在这里有反应了，1.24731，现在已经被返回来了。那么如果制造一个绿红红的话，机会就来了哈。往下跌的机会，因为这里有失衡的地方，对不对？这个1.24573是失衡的地方，对吧 ？OK， 大家注意看啊。All right, okay, so let's see if we are going to close lower. Okay, some rejections in is good. All right. We are getting very close. Okay, JJ. All right, JJ. Okay, so we are getting very close. Let's see if they are going to form another lower highs here. Okay, another lower highs coming in. I think it will be good to sell off. We have 12 from the current price and maybe another 20 from the current price to 124.498. Okay, yep. Yeah, I think looks like it's pretty good. Yeah, still waiting. Okay. Well. Wow, Sabrina Rich and Phil. Ooh, well, Caro sent a very nice picture there. Ah, okay. This picture, okay, it looks like Sabrina has long hair as well. Yeah, okay. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so let's wait for a little while for the pound dollar. We are coming in soon. 1 minute. Okay. M5 has just closed. Looks like it's in the Discord. It's in the Discord. Let's take a look. Okay. Hang on. Yep. Alright. Yep. And let's see if this is going to... Yep. Selling off now. Okay. We are taking back these two candles. Okay. I'm going to erase this. And one up, down. Okay, take note of this area here. Okay, take note of this area. If this is not going to close below, it may have some pullback. It may have some pullback. This has to close below. Okay, has to close below 124,676. Then it will be good. Okay. And let me draw another line up here. Okay. Take note of this area here. Right. Take note of this area. Okay. Right. This may be a little support from the whole area here, from the whole range here. Okay. This may be a higher low. Okay. Let's see if this is able to break out of this structure. Okay, so that we can see that this area will still continue the selling. Right. Okay, so be careful first. Okay. Hang on first. Okay. Because over here, ultimately, we are still having a higher low here, correct? Alright, so this may be a higher low. This may be the higher low area. So this candle must break this higher low. Okay, like this, close. Okay, close below this. Then the next one we are going to shoot for selling is good. Once it breaks this, okay, once it breaks this, then we are going to swing off down to take lower. Okay, to break out from that area. Okay. Let's see how this 5 minutes is going to close first. Okay. Do you see a head and shoulder on your M5 pound dollar? Christopher, you are talking about pound dollar head and shoulder. Are you talking about this area? This move, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Are you talking about this? Yes, I'm basing on the line chart. Oh, line chart. Line chart. You're talking about line chart. Let's see. Oh, okay. You're talking about this, huh? Okay. Yeah. It looks like okay. Okay. If you're basing on the line chart, huh? Yeah. So, well, this will be more like a. I would say if you're basing on line chart, yes, it is okay. So, but the basing on the candle over here, okay, it will form as a resistance here. Okay, so in terms of this selling structure, it will be waiting for lower highs to create it. Okay, lower highs to be created, then it will be good. Okay, yeah, all right. Yes, looks like GU is basing the waiting continues. Yeah, waiting continues. Okay. Okay, so this area, okay, got to be a bit tactful。这一段呢，Winnie 要小心哈 ，OK， 因为这一段呢，可能是从这个低点到最高的支撑，又有个更高的支撑，所以可能这一段要注意了啊。OK， 所以这暂时不能做空先啊，还不能做空啊。我们要等待它突破更低，收的时候要比这个还要低，要突破这个形态 ，OK， 那么才能继续做空哈 ，OK，Yeah， so over at this point here， OK， looks like they are building up this， OK， so not yet， we are still waiting， 我们都还在等待啊，都还在等待。Well, we have 5 minutes to M30 opening, so M30 is going to open soon. Let's hope that M30, okay, is going to hold below. Okay, so you can see now, no. Okay, 现在还不行啊。Let's see if this is going to hold as like Christopher was saying. This may be a line chart is a head and shoulder. Okay, 如果你用这个线图来看的话呢，这里是不是一个正头肩 ？OK， 一个正头肩的形态啊，所以可能这正头肩的形态是会是一个压力而已。OK，Yeah，but let's see if this is going to hold as a resistance. Okay, so we need another 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, patient pace. Okay, patient pace. So hang on for a little while. It may form a double top here. It may form a double top here. OK， 这里可能会有一个双顶啊，那么呢才有机会做空啊。It may form a double top up here. Then after that, the selling may comes in back again. Alright. Then after that, the selling may comes in. OK. Alright. OK， 所以这个要看啊，注意啊，等一下先啊，先等一等。OK。Alright. Yep. Okay, hang on guys, give me a little while. Okay, let me fetch a cup of water. I forgot to bring a water in. Okay, give me a little while. Alright guys, I'm back here. Thank you so much for your patience. Alright, so over here, let's see if this is going to continue to hold. We hit this area. Alright, it seems like it's going to form a higher low, but at the same time it hits into the resistance here to see if this resistance is able to hold. If this is going to hold and break this structure, another lower high is coming. So it should be another good, but now it's the time to wait first. Okay, it's a time to wait. Okay, so hang on first. Okay, let's wait for a little while and see if there's a good chance. All right. 7-4. $704, not 740. 704. Okay, Sabrina. Okay, yours is 704. Huh? Okay. Well, anyway, we are using different brokers, so the price may have a little bit different. Okay. Right. Okay, so now I can see prices are breaking out of this resistance level here. Okay, so let's see if this is going to form another lower highs or a double top over here at this level. Then we will be able to see if there's any good selling from this area here. All right. If this is going to come in here, there's another support into this area. Now we have a support here. 现在啊，你看到吗？我们已经收在上面了，对不对？那这一段呢，就变成一个支撑了啊。那这一段变成一个支撑，那就要注意这个支撑了哈。If this is now there's a higher low, is a support over here. Yeah, currently it should still read it as a very minor support over here. Okay, so generally in terms of other side of this a bigger time frame here, it looks like we are still building up the selling, okay, which is still considered good over here. So just wait for a little while. Okay, yeah, there may be a good chance of taking back this area here. 124.67.5, provided it build a resistance. Huh? Okay, hang on first. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. Yeah, because just now it seems like the selling is coming in so soon, but it got retracted. Okay, up here. So there's no, like I say, we must close below, correct? Must close. It did not close. So I'm waiting. Yeah, so hang on first. Okay, so over at this H1 here, if this is going to hold this area here with the H4 resistance over at this point here, right? Okay, if this area still continue to hold, then I think it will still be good to see some selling will be coming in. Alright, if this is not going to hold, likely we are going to retest back up here. Correct? Okay, so more or less here and there a little bit. So yeah, oh sorry, it should be here. Okay, yeah, so probably if this is not going to hold, then another 28 pips there. Yeah, okay, so just hang on for a little while. Yeah, as for the goal, yes, okay, well, the goal has achieved 23.93 here. We are hovering around this area, right? Okay, so this area here, so far no support yet. Well, looks like there may be some selling off. Okay, looks like selling is also coming in soon. Let me see. Okay. If the sound there's also no selling structure coming in soon. If there's a selling off, should be taking out 23.89 again, back here again, should be back here again, and hang on first, not there yet, almost. Let me zoom in, let's see. It looks like but this selling off doesn't seem a lot, huh? Seems like the selling off is coming in soon. Yeah, But this starting off will be taking out this area 23.89. Have to be careful. Okay. Well, actually there's one more area. On my chart, it depends on your charts also. Okay, on my charts I see, yeah, the selling off may be taking out 23.92. 23.92. If you are selling off now, you have about 12 pips. Quite small, huh? The space is quite small. Yeah, 23.92. That about, huh? Okay, only 12 pips. Unless it breaks through, okay, then we can see that if this breaks through, we can see it's coming back to take 23.89. Okay. But generally, I'm still looking at 23.98. It should be still trying to take 23.98. Okay, 23.98. It will be a safe place to sell. It will be a safe place to sell. Okay. Yeah. If you're a good scalper, okay, this area is coming in, right? Then I think to me it's a bit too small. The space is too small. But if this breaks below, okay, I think 21 pips here to 23.89 is still good. Okay, it's still good. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. So taken 23.92 now. Okay, I took it. Well done. Okay, well done. Wow, good scalper. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Well done, well done. Very good. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so this is yeah, very decisive. Very good, huh? Well done, well done. Okay. That's usually, okay, if I want to, I mean, for gold wise, the move is big. Yes, yeah. So I will always, 12 pips wise, I need more space to take that 10 pips. Okay, let's say I have 15, 20 pips. Let's say this space here. Okay, then I will take 10 pips. Okay, but you're good. Okay. Well done, well done. All right, very good. Okay, so, well, now let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. All right. Yes, Sabrina. Yes, I took a trade in the pound dollar already. Okay, so I guess you see this. Okay, from this area, a resistance, a high here, creating another lower highs here. Okay, so by entering this, Sabrina has entered this. Then you have to take note of this area here. Okay, Sabrina 在这里进场了哦。可是我觉得这个支撑这里要注意啊。OK， 如果能突破的话，可能这里回踩就会再继续下，好不好 ？OK， alright. So if this Sabrina, you enter here, right? Okay, so look out for the support here. Let's say if this price is going to break below 124.675 and if they are going to retest this area as a resistance, selling off is quite promising down to 124.573. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is this area can be good also. Okay, yeah. Okay, so take note. Okay, once it breaks below, okay, retest again, you can hold the trade down to 124.573. Okay, yeah. All right, good. Looks good now because ultimately there's still a range here. Okay, from this area there's still a range of resistance. Am I right? Okay, yeah. Okay, it's testing out now. Okay, all right. Yes, JJ. Sabrina, you spending quality time with Bradley. You learning cowboy skills. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Okay, yeah, but I think it's quite okay because this area is one key levels, but I will try to enter this area here because of this. This is irritating, you know. This is irritating. Yeah. Okay, will you be streaming later? Usually I will be live streaming during the London session, London opening for 2 hours. But today I'm late, so I'm gonna extend a little bit to recover, to make it up. Okay, yeah. So tomorrow I will be coming back again. Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow. Yes. Okay. All right. So Sabrina, since you entered here, you have about 6 pips of profit now. Take note of this area. Okay, take note of this area. It looks like a neckline here, you know. Okay, it looks like a neckline here. Alright, but generally, if you look carefully, this should be Christopher. This is for Christopher. Christopher, looks like this will be a head and shoulder. The left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Okay? Alright, so if you look carefully over here, over at this point here, can you see the left shoulder resistance? It touches. Now is a good time. Okay, this will be a good time for the head and shoulder. Okay, Winnie, Eric， OK， 看一下哈，还有 Jerry， 来你们看一下，现在这一波上来，好不好？正头肩的这个形态似乎已经出现了。OK， 已经反击在左肩。Okay, 已经反击在左肩了哈。Okay, so over here we are going to take 125, 124,573, 124,573. Okay, so from here we have about 9 to 9 pips. If this is going to break this, is going to recover this, then we are going to fill up this area here. Okay, if this is going to fill up, wow, there will be plenty down here to take. Okay, all right, there will be plenty down here to take. Okay, yeah. Okay, so over here, all right. Okay, then over here is going to be good, huh, Christopher? Yes. Okay, yeah, now I saw it. Okay, all right, so this area, but of course, I mean, you're going to shrink this down. If you're going to shrink this down, you can have a clearer picture. Okay, but then again is that you look at this area here, it looks like a neckline over here. So neckline over here is going to be like a support. Okay, so also need to take note. That's why I would say that you know, if this is going to retest this area to fall another lower highs into this area here, okay, because we have some imbalance here to fill up, so probably it may fill up and then start to sell off again. Then I think will be better. Of course, not to scare you, Sabrina. Okay, yeah. Sabrina was saying, yeah, I'm learning the cowboy skill. Carol, yeah, Barclay, the Casanova and teacher. Now Bradley say, oh, my wife is beside me. Hello, Mrs. Barclay. Yeah, hello. I'm Eric. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Let's wait for a little while to see if this is going to break out. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And okay. Then okay, over here. Right, which wife, Bradley? Which wife? You're gonna kill him. All right. Yes, okay, Winnie, okay， 这里啊，我们在捉弄这个，我们在捉弄这个 Bradley 啊 ，OK， all right。 So over here 这里啊，这里如果这里你看这里就是一个正头肩的一个形态，也就是一种做空的形态了哈。Okay, yes, the goal. Oh, the goal. All right. As for the goal, well, nice. Okay. 刚才我们就是说这里啊，如果黄金能突破这一点呢，它就会来到这个价位啊。Well, just now we are saying that if the gold is going to break 23.92, we are coming into 23.89. Correct? Okay. 如果这个黄金突破这个点的话，现在啊，它这个是上升的一个结构嘛，所以呢，这个是最后一个结构，它要破坏的，好不好？那这些都是短线交易的范围，这些都是短线交易的范围哦。OK， 所以呢，如果能回踩，如果它能回踩的话，应该会回踩到这个范围，重新再下来。来突破这个点之后，就真的会下去了哈。Okay. Now I'm looking at this goal. There may be a chance of retesting back. Okay, it may be a chance of retesting back to form another resistance, a lower highs, to take down this, and then we are going to take this price. Okay, as we can see, if we are talking about structure, okay, if we are talking about structure. The last structure pushing up will be this area here. The last lower high. Higher low, sorry. The last higher low. So once it breaks this, it's a breaking of structure, then we can see there may be a change of character down to 23.86. Okay, 23.86. There may be a good chance there. Right, so can keep a lookout from all this area. But if you are trading into this area are all the scalping area. Okay, these are all the scalping area. Alright? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so over at this point here, 23.89. Okay, 23.89 is still there. Okay. Alright, still waiting to be taken. Okay, 23.89. Yes, Christopher. Okay, 23.89. Okay. You mentioned it just now, so actually I was contemplating to close the trade earlier on with another guy who took a 9 pips. I'm still holding on to it. Do you think it will still hit 23.89? 23.89 is I would say is a price, a potential price to be hit. Okay. It's just with this move, I think then probably if it's smooth enough, okay, it should be taken. If there's some pullback, it should have okay. I think there may be some retesting back again. And there should be some retesting back. Okay, so just take note. Some pullback over into this area here, then the selling will come in. Right? Okay. Yeah, so please be careful, huh? Please be careful. Because ultimately I'm still looking into 23.98. There may be some pullback to set up the support before it goes up. Okay, so just take note of that. Yeah, okay. Yes, Sabrina. Okay, pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar, once again, we are stopping here. Okay, pound dollar, we are still stopping here. Alright. So with this head and shoulder, okay, not really they are still holding up by this. It looks like a head and shoulder resistance up here, huh? Correct. Okay, but you know something, right? Okay, a very good head and shoulder. Okay, this over here, okay, it should be coming back. It should have some back here to point out to the price should be down here to bounce back to come back again. Correct. Yeah, but this is only the top part. Okay, still struggling there. Okay, still struggling there. Okay, let's see. let's see. Okay, filling up okay, filling up this area here. Okay, still back to this area. Okay, we can see it's still trying to fill up this area here. Correct? Let me see. Yeah. Okay, still trying to fill up this area. Okay, still trying to fill up this area to gain more selling here. All right. Are you still there, Barclay, or you are forbidden to lock on for good? Barclay, are you still there? Barclay. Let me see. Okay, the goal is still pushing, testing up there, filling up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So hang on first. Yeah. Yeah. Then over at least over here, okay. Yes. For pound dollar, okay, it looks like it is still forming, or it's still running around this area. Okay. Still forming around here. Still forming, trying to form the selling over at this point here. It's just that they are still trying to gain more selling. Okay, so let's see if they are still good to gain this selling volume to bring it lower. Okay, at the moment, like a Sabrina entering here, I would say that nothing wrong, but you know, this area, the support here is a bit too close. Right, it's a bit too close. Okay, so I will be, just now like I say, if this is going to break below, retest back, then it will be good. Okay, it will be good to bring the price down. Okay, it will be good to bring the price down. Okay, I saw your wife walking around with baseball bat. Okay. All right. Over here, let's wait for a little while. Okay, hang on. Okay, hang on first. Belt. My goodness. All right. Okay, so let's wait for a little while. OK， 棒美还要等一下啊。OK， 这里啊，你看，它还是在这个支撑形成一个支撑的，现在还是得等一等哦。OK， yeah， 50 shades of grey 。Oops, he will love it. Oops. Hi, is that Mrs. Bradley? She will love it. I think Mrs. Bradley replied us. Oops. Oops. Yeah, alright. Okay, and let's hang on for a little while. Looks like if this resistance is going to form, okay, if this resistance is going to form down to test the support again, we have a lower resistance testing the same support. Well, I would say there's a good chance of breaking. Okay, there may be a good chance of breaking, right? So just have to wait for a little while to see if that will actually happens. Okay, JJ, okay, let's wait together. Okay, we are very close. Just now we are so close. We are very close. Okay. Yeah. Barclay can't reply now. He's posing as a PC table. Yeah, okay. And yes, Christopher. Okay. Christopher, yes, if this is going to close right below, okay, I think this going to form another retesting to sell off down to 124. Yeah, if this is going to retest this area here, after it breaks, likely to see a retesting down again to form a lower highs, then it will still go. Yeah. Okay, just like okay, just like what Carol previously was saying, the wages, okay, yeah, yes, these cowboys, I will know what's going to happen. Okay. Oh my goodness, cool. Barclay right now. Oh. Oh, what a nice picture of Barclay. Yeah, okay, right. Okay, pound dollar, okay, looks good with this resistance forming, testing back to the same support. Okay, with this kind of formation, usually I see is a good signal that is breaking through. Okay, 当我们看到这个支撑啊 ，OK， 当你们 Winnie 啊，你们看一下啊 ，OK， 你们看一下这一段的支撑，一个压力出现，更低的压力的出现，同时来到这个支撑的话，这是一件好事啊。OK， 看来这个支撑没有什么力度了哈。OK， 暂时这样看是好像没什么压力了哈。OK， 啊，所以呢，这一段啊，这一段就要注意 man。OK。All right, so yeah, and yeah, okay, over here, let's take a look. 黄金感觉要上去样子哦，黄金啊 ，let's take a look at the gold. Oh yeah, the gold now taken this. Oh, now they're retracing up. Okay, let's see. Okay, because one thing about the gold here, they have over at this area here, they have some to be taken out here, right? Then if this able to hold, the selling may come back. But like I say, I'm still waiting. OK， 我看来我们也在说，就是这个黄金啊，还有很大的机会要来到2398，你知道吗？2398 ，alright， OK。最终它还是要回来2398。现在的下滑都是一些回调，也都是一些回调，他们只是在做一些回调单子，这样而已。OK， right, Sabrina, yeah, pound dollar, okay. Oh, looks good, looks good. Okay, gold is super buy. Yeah, gold is super buy now. Okay, I'm still looking at 23.98. 23.98.3. These are all the pullbacks. Like I said, these are the pullbacks. Until it breaks this, then I see there'll be a good chance of selling down 23.86 to 84. 23.86 to 84. Yeah. So I'm not sure if this is going to form. 这里啊，还有一个，你看现在它是不是来到这个范围？现在就开始要这个范围啊，有一些流动量，做空的流动量。如果这个范围现在达成的话，之后还有一个压力再出现的话呢，它往下跌的可能性还存在。但是如果它突破以上的话，就没得做了，好不好？Okay, now if this area we have balanced out this area, so there may be a good chance to come down to 23.89. Like I said, over here it breaks through this area, it has to retest, then to come back 23.89. If this is going to break, we can even go down to 23.86 to 23.84, which is this area here. Okay, there a good chance there. Okay, and over here, okay. Yeah, take a look, alright. 好，所以呢，这里啊，记得哈，这个黄金，它虽然上去，虽然我是在看2398， 可是要先看这个范围，如果它保持在这个范围以下，它还有机会再往下跌，可是还是回调单子，因为它的最后结构在这里。如果能突破这最后结构的话，它还有继续往下跌到2386到2384的可能性。OK， 所以还是要注意哈。OK， 还是得要注意哈，这个 OK， 这个就要注意了哈。OK， 还是有机会的，不过是这个范围，比较关键呐。还有上面这个范围，现在这个关键位置啊，有反击是一件好事，还有机会做空啊。你现在做空的话，还有机会拿，可是只是说2389是一个关键的这个范围啊，这个范围是一个关键的位置。OK， alright, so let's take a look pound dollar. Yeah, Sabrina is so happy. I don't know what you are cheering down there because it's breaking through. Okay, okay, so pound dollar is breaking through. This area looks good. Okay, pound dollar looks good. So right now there may be JJ. Okay, looking promising now. Yes. Okay, so over here there may be a chance of pulling back a little bit. Then the sell-off will comes in. If not, the selling off now. This candle did not close below, but if this is going to go beyond this, we are going down already. Okay, right. So then from here, okay, look at this, JJ. We have a support here, a higher lows here, correct? This higher low. So this higher low forms as a support. And when it supported up the price back to this area here, can you see? The solid body here, okay, you can see the rejections from this solid body here. It started to reject down. So it looks like a head and shoulder over at this point here, although it's not a very fantastic one. Okay, so when you look at this here, now we zoom into the smaller area here. The support over here as a higher low, and this area it comes in to test. So from this highs, it has a lower highs to test the support. The support pushes the price up a little bit and not above as a higher high from the support here. It has a lower highs to test back the same support. It also means this support can only push us up to this area and seller pushing back again. So that is the maximum, I would say, and that is from this move, there's a maximum from the support here. So the support is getting weaker because previous support can push to this high, correct? But this, when tested back to the same support, the support can only push us this level, and it come back to test back the same support. With a lower high from the same support, it shows the support is getting weaker. So it closed below, it breaks. So now a chance to sell off. If the retest back again as a resistance down, you get what I mean? So even this is, although this is selling down now, it doesn't mean that we don't have a chance to sell later. Okay, it doesn't mean that. It may form another support here, and it may push back. Then from there we can see how the pushing back to see if there's a good space or any good area to push back as a lower low. It will push back to form lower highs again, go back to go for lower low again. You get what I mean? Okay, so you will be able to see that it will still be good. You get what I mean? Right? It will still be good. Okay. So you can read it that way. Okay, to hold the trade. Okay, to use that. Okay. Yep. All right. January GUTP, congratulations. Okay, well done. Okay, 很好 January, yeah, January is back up. Okay, yeah, all right. So let's see if that will happen. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see if this will continue. Okay, the pound dollar, okay, looks like we are forming up the selling structure already. I'm looking into 124.573. Then there may be some pullback down to 124.498. If this is going to break below again, we are going to see more selling off down to 124.347. Okay, there may be a good chance there. Okay, so let's wait for things, my plan, to happen this way. Okay, hopefully it goes with my plan. Then later on we have another selling to go in. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for the goal wise, we have been talking about this area. Looks like now they are testing into this area here. Okay, so looks like the goal is going to, if the goal is continue to sell off to take 2389, all right, then if this is going to break and retest back 2389, there may be a good chance to sell off down to 2386 or even down to 2384. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, we can take note of that. Okay, right. So over at this point here, just take note first. Okay, yes, okay, all right. Game JPT. How will Indian market open tomorrow? War issue will affect the India? That's a good question. That's a very good question. Okay, I don't know about Indian market very much. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, but as for the war wise, I think more or less it will affect everywhere. Okay, but India, I will see probably India may be affected more or less. I think because of the supply. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, yeah, all right. I'm not very sure about that. Okay, but you can I think probably India won't be so much affected at the moment. Okay, because I think India has good friend. Okay, has a very good and strong friend here, huh? Okay, Mr. Sparkly. Okay, so pound dollar, now we are retesting back. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, yeah, well, you're most welcome, game. Okay, yeah, I hope you like this channel. Okay, I hope you like this channel. Okay, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, yeah, we will build the community together. All right, so that this community will grow and we are traders, can trade together. Okay, yeah, all right, so let's see. Once this breaks through, now we are retesting back. Okay, we are retesting back again. Looks like the pound dollar is going to retest back, and let's see if this is good. Okay, all right, if this is good to hold. Okay, yeah, and this is going to form another resistance down again. Yeah, okay, then we will see if that, then we'll see a good chance of selling again. All right, it need a little bit of time. Okay, it need a little bit of time because retesting is very common over at this point here. Yeah, okay, yeah, because as we can see now, is actually coming in slowly. There are still people trying to support it in a way. Okay, yeah, so just follow the plan. Okay, just follow the plan. Today we have no high impact news, am I right? We don't have any high impact news, so I guess still pretty good, so we can still hang on. Okay, we can still hang on for a while. Okay, to trade, I think, very smoothly and safely today. All right, okay, so just wait for a little while and see if this is going to take down any area here and here. Okay, I see there's a very good chance here, huh? Okay. Okay, I see. Yeah, especially this 124.211. 124.211 seems like it's a very good. Yeah. Oh my god, second time on key bell. Okay, yeah. I'm also coming to the end and I'm going to my key bell too. Okay, guys. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for coming in today, and well, I'm going to end the live streaming today. We shall see each other tomorrow again. Alright, so follow the plan, okay, for the pound dollar and as well as for the gold. Okay, I think the gold is okay. Yeah. Alright. So thank you so much, guys. So I shall see you once again. Alright, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub, wishing you good luck in your New York session. Alright, especially the gold here. Looks like we're going to break through this structure and we're going down to 23.86 to 84. Okay, good luck in your gold trading and all the trading in the New York session. Alright. Okay, thank you, JJ. Thank you very much, all of you. Alright, so wish you good luck and I shall see you again. Alright, thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.